Alright, so quick analysis on GBPUSD. Today is 7/19/2020, 7:24 p.m. Eastern Time. So this is the analysis for the upcoming week, to see exactly what direction that we're going and what direction we're looking as a bias and what we're looking to accomplish here. So let's jump into it. Big fish Forex, big fish FX. Let's see what's going on here. So if we start off with the weekly chart, what we see is from the major push down up to the retest, and we see that it's in an uptrend as right here across the actual resistant line or zone. This nice push of the bullish bar, this nice solid push, a push down, and it looks like it's kind of consolidating or forming a triangle, as you can see here. Right, so what we're looking at here is pure price action. We're not looking at, we don't have any moving averages, any indicators on the chart, because we want to be clear, precise, concise, and on point with what we're doing. So if we go down one time frame, so this is a daily chart, as you can see, what took place is it went down, it formed a nice little harmonic. It looks like it completed a harmonic around this zone, and it started pushing down. This looks like a 38%. Nice little 38% push down from the little, it looks like a 78%, around the 78% zone. It pushed down to 38%. So one or two things can happen here. Based on what we're seeing a nice little consolidation here. So it tried to go up, got forced, got pushed down, tried to go down, got pushed up, got pushed down, and it kept being pushed down and up, until it actually rested around this point here. Now if we go down another time frame, we can see it a lot more clear. As you can see, it was a nice little uptrend here. Trend line was broken right here. Neckline of head and shoulders was pushed down, broken. Structure broken here. Structure did not break here though, so from here it pushed up. So now we can see that this can end up just being a retest of the actual trend line and a push down. Or what it can be doing is it can start consolidating that triangle, like I told you, bounce off the triangle, and it might shoot up. Now my bias is, based on what's going on here, if you take a look, you'll notice around this zone, let me solidify that. Right, around this zone that is struggling, it's a very important zone. Look at how many touches that it's been rejected so many times. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push down, push down. It broke, tested again, broke, tested, came back up, tested, broke, tested, tested, tested. So it's a strong little, it's a strong zone. As you can see, even back here, it's been testing. So this is a very strong support resistance zone. Looking at like right there, the 25,700, around the 25,700, 25,800 zone, right? So if we take this we draw a nice little supply rectangle here. I want the top of it. What we can do is we can go down another chart, another time frame, to actually see clearly what's going on. As you can see, this is where it's actually having trouble pushing through. We go down to the 15-minute. We could clearly see it could either be forming a double top, and pushing down. If it crosses, now right now what we can do is we can make a nice little box it in right here. If it crosses down here, we can guarantee that it'll at least test around 25,300, 25,200 zone. So that's a decent number of pips. Almost 40 pips, right? Or if it cross up, we can look for around here. Now, but that's just on a smaller time frame. But if we're looking at a higher time frame, something like this, if it crosses this right here, most definitely we grabbing all of this. So I'll say just watch. It looks like it's bearish. That's my opinion for now, based on what I'm seeing. It looks like it's bearish. It was this nice little zone here. It created a harmonic, and this was a neckline for it, and it kept retesting that zone, and that's what it's on now. But it looks like it's going to be bearish, as you can even see with the doji. The candlestick pattern here might push it down, but we have to see exactly what takes place. Like I always say, don't predict what the market is going to do, simply respond to it. You feel me? So that's analysis for GBPUSD. Just box it in. You can get the smaller trades with an even tighter box. Like even if it breaks here, we can at least get from here to here. Nice 10 pips. If you're scalping, it'll end up being a nice almost 10 pips. Right? So that's all I got. Let's see what happened. I'm gonna record on Friday to see exactly what took place and see if our analysis is on point. Let's get it, y'all.